How to patent 3D printing innovations in automotive industry. The automotive sector is on the brink of transformation with the advent of 3D printing. Patents are crucial for securing intellectual assets in this evolving landscape. 3D printing is revolutionizing automotive fabrication, offering tailored perfection through customization. It enhances sustainability by minimizing waste and accelerates the innovation cycle with agile prototyping. Embrace the paradigm shift where 3D printing enables rapid iteration, customization, and production. Focus on real-world problem solving to drive innovation in the automotive sector. Sustainability is more than a buzzword. 3D printing minimizes waste, appealing to eco-conscious consumers. These sustainability benefits also enhance your brand image. Delineating patentable innovations requires ensuring that they possess novelty, inventiveness, and utility, all essential for patent eligibility. Traversing the patenting process involves conducting a thorough patent search, drafting detailed applications, and navigating the submission process. Navigating the nuances of patenting 3D printed automotive creations involves calibrating the patent scope, deciding between process and product patents, and weighing broad versus narrow scope considerations. Future-proof your patent by anticipating technological evolution and maintaining a robust innovation pipeline. Tailor your patent applications by jurisdiction, considering international patenting strategies and leveraging the Patent Cooperation Treaty (PCT). Patents are essential for securing 3D printing innovations in the automotive sector. Collaboration, agility, and expertise are vital for navigating the patent landscape and driving future automotive manufacturing possibilities. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.